So my dude, listen. I know the holiday shop is closed, but did you know it's a year-round bookstore inside the library? The proceeds go to the Friends of the Library. Hey, do you know what the Friends of the Library are?
The Friends of the Library is a non-profit organization that supports the library through volunteering and fundraising. The money raised by the Friends group pays for library programming and staff continuing education. Fundraising comes in the form of a year-round used bookstore, the seasonal holiday shop, programs like Night in the Stacks, and community rewards programs like Kroger and Raise Right. You can become a friend of the library at the patron, donor, or benefactor level. Patron level includes a free book every month and an invitation to our holiday shop preview. Donor level includes patron level plus a free Keurig beverage every month. Benefactor level includes donor level plus acknowledgement in our annual report and e-newsletter. To join, click the donate button on our homepage and select Friends of the Library membership from the drop-down box in the form.